In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or simply someone who needs to manage multiple tasks, a system like this can help keep everything organized and on track. Let's walk through the process step by step, from opening Notion to setting up your first project. To begin, head over to Notion by visiting the website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for those who do, let's go ahead and click on the Login button. Here, you're given multiple options to log in, but for simplicity, select the Google option. It might take a moment, but afterward, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Click the account you want to use, which will lead you straight into the Notion workspace. Once inside, you'll want to navigate to Notion AI. This is a tool within Notion that can help automate and streamline the creation of templates and projects. Inside Notion AI, type in some keywords like build a project management system. You can add more detail if you wish to create something more specific to your needs. After entering the keywords, press Send. The AI will take over from here, generating a template tailored to the inputs you provided. Give the AI some time to work its magic, and you'll soon notice a newly created page. Click on this page to continue. You now have a foundation for your project management system, and it's time to start personalizing it. Begin editing the values present on this new page. Start by typing in a project name. This can be as descriptive as you like because it will help you quickly identify the project later on. Next, let's talk about tracking the progress of your projects. Notion provides a very intuitive way of doing this through a status property. Click on the Status section and update it to reflect the current state of your project. By default, you'll see options like Not Started, which can give anyone looking at your project an instant view of its progress. Additionally, you have a Priority tab where you can assign a priority level to your tasks. Try selecting something like Medium to set a baseline. To wrap things up, it's important to know that Notion offers various layouts for how you view your data. If you prefer a visual representation, click on the Board view. This layout allows for easy drag and drop management and helps visualize the flow of tasks from one stage to the next. Alternatively, you might find the calendar view useful, providing a time-centric view of your project timelines. There you have it. With these steps, you have the knowledge to set up a basic project management system in Notion that can be customized to fit any requirements you have. Thank you for watching and happy planning.